In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Loveable on Netlify. We'll start by getting your Loveable project set up so it's ready for Netlify. Open your browser and head to the Loveable dashboard. If you're not already signed in, do that first, then you'll land on the main workspace. On the left side, look for the section that shows your workspaces and navigation items and choose All Projects. This view gathers everything you've created or have access to, which makes it easy to find the exact app you want. Next, pick the project you want to open on Netlify by clicking its card or name. That takes you into the project overview where the top bar shows different integrations and settings. At the top, select the GitHub tab. This is where Loveable links your project to a GitHub repository. That connection matters because Netlify pulls your code from Git, so confirming it here prevents headaches later. You should now see the connected GitHub details. Double check that the repository name and branch match what you expect. If something looks off, we'll adjust it in the next step. Click Configure. This opens the Git settings for GitHub within Loveable. Here you can review which repository is linked, switch to a different one if needed, and confirm the branch Loveable tracks. If your code lives in a team account, make sure you have the right permissions to let Loveable read the repo. When you're ready, click Connect. If you're not connected yet, you may be prompted to authorize access and choose the repository. Follow the prompts until you see a confirmation that the GitHub link is active. If it was already connected, this simply reaffirms the current setup. That's it for the Loveable side. Your project is now synced with GitHub, which is the foundation Netlify uses to build and serve your site. One quick tip before you continue. Ensure your repository contains the standard build files for your stack, so the next step in Netlify is straightforward. In the next part, you'll head into Netlify and point it to this connected repository, but for now your Loveable project is prepared and ready to go.